Thanks for tuning in. Today is a very exciting haul video as I am wrapping up summer and getting ready for autumn. For those of you tuning in for the first time, hi, I'm Katie. I like to do these luxury fashion videos here on YouTube. I share hauls and reviews, but at the end of the day, I share my journey so we can all mindfully curate our own collections. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below with your favorite item from this haul. All of your support really means a lot to me. I have a couple housekeeping items to get through before I jump right into my video. One, there is a fan blowing, so if you see my hair moving, no, you're not imagining things. The next item is just a huge apology for missing a few videos. I've been having a really hard time finding the time to be able to film and edit my videos to stay on my 2 videos a week schedule. So I missed the end of August. I missed a few videos there. Those were unexpected. I'm sorry about that, but I really appreciate your guys' patience and understanding. I have been going through a lot with work and planning my wedding, and I had a lot of family in town, so it was a lot. It was a lot to try to do everything perfectly. I'm going to do my best to get back on track during September, but I might also have to modify my video schedule a little bit. But nothing's been decided yet. I'll keep you guys in the loop if some things need to change. Without further ado, I'm going to now jump into my haul. And September officially, I feel like, at least in the United States, marks the end of summer. But there are definitely some things that I like to get towards the end of summer just because it's where the seasons are going to be changing. I wanted to get a few things to kind of spice up my wardrobe and also make sure I'm ready for autumn. First and foremost, you might have noticed there's some new jewelry on me. I wanted to share some of the new pieces from Ana Luisa. You guys know that I am a Ana Luisa partner, and so I am able to showcase some new pieces every so often. And towards the end of summer is around the time where I am also thinking about kind of transitioning some of my jewelry pieces. And that's primarily because with the weather's changing, I am wearing different things. Like in the summertime, I definitely like more bright, colorful jewelry. As I get into some of the colder months, I am looking for some more slightly subtle pieces sometimes. I'll still mix it up. And I feel like this Alexandria necklace set is just that. You can see how super shiny this snake neck chain is. And then there's a very thin, I think this is a rope chain. It's very minimal, but it still has impact. I've been on like this gold jewelry kick. So in addition to the Alexandria necklace set, I also picked up these Eliana earrings. They're super cute because they look like kind of a typical hoop, but they have this little like squiggle shape to them, and they also have some rhinestones on the front, so they add that little bit of sparkle. They're like a simple with a little twist. And then last but not least, I also picked up this olive necklace, which the olive necklace actually has a whole row of rhinestones, or like half the bracelet is a link chain and the other half is this whole row of rhinestones, which is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I picked up everything from their new in category, and they're all super simple but stylish, and I feel like it's just really great for that transition season. Right now I'm kind of feeling wanting to just have like really simple accessories. Ana Luisa is perfect for that because they have high quality pieces at really affordable prices where you can pick up something new for yourself, for a friend. For those of you that might be in France, Ana Luisa is also coming to France, which is super exciting. They are New York based, but they are expanding across the globe. I will link them in the description box down below, so definitely head down there, check out Ana Luisa, and let me know what pieces you pick up for the new season. The other fashion item I picked up is actually from Gucci. I haven't shopped at Gucci in like a really long time. I think the last time I shopped there might have been around my birthday, 2020, I want to say. I wasn't looking for anything specific necessarily, and then I saw these items and I just had to get them. Uh, Usually, if you ever shop with me in person, you might hear me exclaim something like, oh my gosh, these are so stupid. And that is actually a compliment. That's actually a good thing for me. So I actually was able to try it on in the store. They didn't have my size in stores, but straight from the store, they ordered a pair for me and sent it straight home. So I was able to receive it from the comfort of my own home. And I wanted to just share what the whole unboxing experience was like. Or, I mean, it's not a true unboxing because I already opened it, but like I wanted to show you like what it feels like. Like they paid a lot of attention to the experience you would have in opening your items from your home. But this is the plain box that it came in, right? But then if you open it, you see, like they carried their Gucci print straight into the inside. It looks like there's an adhesive strip that you can take off if you had to return this for some reason. And then there were some goodies inside that I wasn't expecting. One of which was this tote bag, which is like actually pretty cute. It says Gucci 100. This is a huge assumption, but I'm assuming that must have been like a milestone year for Gucci. This must have been their 100th year. I didn't ask for it, so I think it's something that just gets added to your order if you purchase online, maybe. Then there's your invoice, of course, and then there was this little thing of stickers. How cute. It's a Gucci Flora Gorgeous Jasmine. But there are also these like really cute characters. All right, but here is the actual box. This is what the inside looks like. You might be wondering, like, let me show you first. This is what I recently picked up from Gucci. Would it be cuter if I took the stuffing out? Maybe. Let me do that. I don't know. Sometimes it's hard to see when it's like all one color. Ta-da! Look at the rhinestone sheer mesh dad sandals, I guess. And I believe this was the only color they came in for the rhinestone version, but I think for there's like an all kind of rubber version, which was in pink and white, I want to say. I can't remember what the other color was. They're super cute. The back says Gucci embossed on them. If I put them here, I think you can sort of see them without me having to hold them the entire time. You might be wondering why I'm picking up dad sandals now. That like trend is probably on its way out. And I agree with you. I do think overall the dad sandal trend is waning. Honestly, like I haven't been that tempted to get a pair of dad sandals like from Chanel or anything like that. I know they've been releasing them a ton in a whole bunch of colors, but I don't know, for some reason I just wasn't ever really drawn to them. But when I saw these, that's why I was like, oh my gosh, these look really stupid, but I love it. And I was like, this is it. This is the one. I think some of you will like get the vibe. You'll understand. I feel like these will be great barefoot and also with socks, which will help carry them through, probably at least through some fall weather, some early fall weather. But I also feel like these would be perfect for a holiday. So I do have like a beachy destination coming up, so I feel like I can use them really easily there. They are definitely really comfortable. I do recommend you try them on because the sales associate was saying that they run a little small, but I ended up getting a 39, and my shoe size is usually like a European 39. But the other thing to note, I think, because these are not leather and this is pure fabric, when you try them on, if they are not comfortable, then I think you should try to get another pair. Don't get them thinking, oh, they might stretch out a little bit. There's nothing to stretch on these because it's just fabric. This is my latest shoe purchase. I've been dying to wear them, but I haven't even worn them out because I wanted to show you guys before I did. Like I wanted to make sure they were nice and clean before I did that. So now I can wear them out. I'll definitely link them below so you can check them out if you're interested as well. Just open up the description box down below. That's everything that I wanted to share today. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I will link them in the description box down below. I'm sure you'll be able to find something as like a cute pick-me-up, you know? As the seasons change, I'm sure I'll be picking up some more items to get ready for the cooler weather. I'm sure that I'll have some more hauls as well. But if you have any other video suggestions or questions or anything like that, feel free to leave those down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new fashion related videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time,